Do you know which dog breeds are the most popular, from retrievers to German shepherds? Check out this surprising Best Pets presents Top 10 Most Popular Dog Breeds. Number 10. Dachshunds. Despite their diminutive frame, dachshunds were originally bred as hunting dogs, and often used to track and retrieve small burrowing animals. Because of their instinct to follow scents and pursue, they can sometimes be hard to train, but are an intelligent and playful breed perfect for patient owners. Number 9. Rottweilers. Were originally dogs bred to drive cattle to market. Later they were used to pull carts for butchers. They were among the earliest police dogs and serve with honor in the military. Most important, they are popular family guardians and friends. Number 8. Poodle. Bred in medium, miniature and toy sizes, the poodle is an active, intelligent dog with a penchant for mischief. Their knack for rambunctious play is no doubt reflected in their name, as the word poodle roughly translates to the German word puddle, meaning to splash about.
Take left. Good boy. Turn right. Good boy.
Number 7. Boxer. Known for extreme loyalty and a playful yet protective demeanor, boxers are intelligent dogs, though stubborn and not always the easiest to train. The breed's name is said to have been based on their inclination to stand on their hind legs and box with their paws. Number 6. Yorkshire Terrier. Tiny and adorable dog, the Yorkshire Terrier is a popular dog for those with allergies. Their coats, while not hypoallergenic, are less prone to shedding. A highly active breed of pup, Yorkshire Terriers are relatively easy dog to train, but sometimes rambunctious and loud. Number 5. Bulldog. Generally obedient and laid back, one of the Bulldog's most attractive qualities is the lack of space and strenuous exercise they require. Docile and friendly, Bulldogs are ideal for those with small homes and yards.
Number 4. Beagle.
Cute dog, compact and even-tempered, Beagles were originally bred as hunting dogs, thanks to their ability to sniff out prey from great distances. Beagles are also renowned for their ability to quickly warm up to strangers, making them less than ideal as guard dogs but great for sociable owners.
Number 3. Golden Retriever.
Much like the Labrador Retriever, the Golden Retriever is renowned for its friendly nature, smarts and abilities as a work dog. Often used as a guide dog, the Golden Retriever's loyal and playful disposition make them a popular pick for families with small children.
Number 2. German Shepherd.
Despite a large and sometimes intimidating appearance, German Shepherds are often gentle, intelligent dogs with a reputation for being hardworking and loyal pets. The German Shepherd's high level of intelligence, curious nature and keen senses make them a popular guard dog, and they are known to be highly protective of their family and territory.
Number 1. Labrador Retriever.
This medium-sized breed is a favorite of many dog lovers, thanks to their family-friendly disposition, trusting nature and high level of intelligence. Their remarkable ability to seek and detect has made them the dog of choice for the visually hunters in various branches of the military.